Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable customer accounts and create a login page on your Shopify store. So first, you can go to your Shopify dashboard and go to your settings in bottom left corner here. And then as you can see, there is customer accounts here. You can click it and then make sure you turn it on, this button. After that, there is two options, customer accounts and legacy. So the difference is customer don't need password, so only email, and for legacy, they need to create an account with email and password. So in my opinion, better to choose customer accounts, but I will show the different. So let's say I will choose this one and I will just go to my store and click here for the account page. And then, so this is for the customer account. It's simple and just need email and the customer will get the verification code. So they don't need to, create an account, fill a form and type their email and password. So it's simpler. And for the legacy, let's try and switch to legacy customer accounts. And then I'll go back to my store. And then let's see the page. So let's see. This is the login page, and for create account, so the customer will need to put their names, email, and password. So it's more complicated. So in my opinion, it's better to choose customer accounts. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.